that's one of the major and main specializations of Lithuanian region, and it's basically huge because now we have a first report on monitoring of a smart specialization strategy, and we see that advanced manufacturing is one of the major fields in which Lithuania excels. So it has a huge potential in growing in exports and in adding value to the whole economy of the country. So what does it mean? It means a lot, for future and for the current success and economic growth. Well, we have prioritized them already in framing the strategy itself. So briefly, it is lasers and photonics, functional materials and coatings, and functional and flexible systems of manufacturing and so forth. So it's basically all based on materials and how to manufacture, how to assemble, how to cut with lasers and so forth. And it's many things. It's very difficult to say in few words. And it's very advanced, so it's quite a big thing. Oh, sure. So on one hand, of course, it was very exciting to see all those policy mixes which are used for years. The Basque country has a huge experience for like decades in doing intervention on a policy level. So it's very nice to see how those outcomes materialize in the long term and how strategic thinking pays back. Also, it was fantastic to see all those tech parks and in those site visits, how also the long-term strategy pays back, and it was amazing to see the tech park, which is like 30 years old, is self-sustainable, has huge territory, many services, many users, and creates a huge value for the region's economy and the research potential. Well, I would say that advanced manufacturing is an innovation itself because it's totally related to Industry 4.0. So I wouldn't separate those two terms at all.